Good morning, y'all, and welcome to my channel. This morning, I will be making a potato casserole, and I'm showing you the ingredients that I have here. Okay, I didn't have the roll sausage, so I'm using 4 pan sausages, and I've cut up some link smoked sausage. I have 4 eggs here, and I have some gold potatoes that I have diced up. And I have some seasonings that I've diced up, chopped up, and I'm gonna use some of this. And that's the yellow, red bell peppers and the green onions and yellow onions. And this is 2 cups of cheese. Now, this is the skillet that I will fry up the meat in. And I'll go on and put that in right now and chop up the pan sausage and everything. And move that around. And this is the dish that I will use to put it in. And once I fry this up, get this all fried up and brown and done, and I will drain any oil that comes from the meats. I will drain the oil off this. I'm gonna turn the stove up a little bit. And when this is done, I'm going to add just a little of my seasonings to it, just to give it some flavor. And I will kind of halfway cook my potatoes, because remember now, I'm going to put them in the oven to bake, and I'll give you the temperature later and the amount of time. But right now, I'm just going to fry this up, move this around, fry it up. And as I said, I will drain any oil, excess oil from this. And I will lightly crack my 4 eggs. And when I finish with the meat, then I'll put and finish the potatoes. Then I will put all of this together in my Pyrex dish and put it in the oven. I will sprinkle cheese on top, and I will mix a little cheese with my eggs, my lightly beaten eggs. But I'm gonna get these eggs ready. It'll take me a little time because, you know, I always take the little white cloudy part out of my eggs. I just don't like to keep that in my eggs. So I'll come right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is my meat that I've cooked and drained. I have it in my Pyrex dish, and this is what I have here for the potatoes. They're not all the way done because they're going in the oven. And I forgot to tell you that I added milk to my eggs, 3/4 cups. I've seasoned my eggs to taste, put a little dry parsley in it, a tad bit of smoked paprika. And I am going to, and I put a little cheese in it. So I am going to put my potatoes on top of my meat, and then I will pour my egg mixture in. Then I will top it with more cheese. And I have 2 kinds of cheeses. Use the cheeses of your choice. Use the seasonings of your choice. This is just a base for what I'm doing, and I just kind of made this up this morning because I looked in the fridge and I saw that I had some stuff there that I could use and make a potato breakfast casserole, and that's what I'm doing. So I will come back. I'll set my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes, but I'll let you know for sure. I'll pause right here. Okay guys, just brought you back to show you my dish before putting it in the oven. And I'm going to tell you, I layered cheese between the meat and the potatoes. So that's another step that I probably didn't tell you about. But I'll bring you back once it's done and let you know what it looks like and tastes like. I'll see you soon. I'm back, and this is the scrumptious potato casserole. Look at this. With all of that good seasoning, I'm going to plate it, bring you back, let you see it, and tell you what it tastes like. Okay, here it is. Potato, egg, cheese, sausage, casserole. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. Mmm. It's good, y'all. It looks and smells amazing. All this good potato, and I use the yellow or golden potatoes. Look at that. Egg. Oh, it is so good. It is good. This is Patty. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell me what you think about this dish. Tell me if you've ever made this dish before. Have a great day. I love you. God loves you most. And we will talk to you on the next upcoming video. Have a great day. Goodbye.